So hi, hello, welcoming all. In this class, we gonna do one small project which is a ground floor building with basic tools and basic understanding of the walls, how to add the doors at particular place, and how to add the floor, how to add the slab, and how to add the staircase. We'll understand small class and in this okay. So in order to start, let me open one more. I'll take the templates architectural. Okay, so now I'll define the, as usual, the first step is the defining the levels. Let me go to the levels. I'll go to the east. I'll add this as a ground floor. Okay, then this I'll add as the first floor. Okay, so now I'll go to the floor plans, go to the ground floor. I will draw one of the simple floor plan. Let me go to the reference. I have taken this as the one of the reference floor plan just to create, which has the dimension of 26 feet 3 inches and where length is of 40 feet. Okay, so let me create this. So in order to create, let me go to the this my the drawing area, and I'll go to the walls. In order to create the walls, let me click on the wall. So as of now, generic 200 mm wall, but I need to define this. I'll define as the block work. So brickwork, I just need to make sure this. That is the reason I'm just making the duplicate. I'll mention as I'll add blockwork, brickwork with the plaster. Okay, 230 mm wall with plaster. Okay, plaster. So I'll go to the edit type. I'll add the finishing material. As of now 200 is there. I need to add the two finishing material. That's the plastering on either side. So 15 mm 15 mm plus 200. So overall it will become 230. So I'll go to the structure. Let me first change the material. I'll assign this material as the brick. Okay, brick common. These are the graphics, how it looks, and this fine. I'm just clicking on the OK. Now I'll go here, core boundary above. I'll add one shell, or maybe I'll add the one layer. This I'll consider the thickness as the 15 mm. Then I need to add one more here. This is the internal. Let me down this. I'll take it down. So this is the structure block work, and on either side you have the finishing. This I'll consider as the 15 mm. So total it will become as it 213 mm. Okay, 15 plus 15, you have it 230 mm. Okay, I'm just clicking OK and OK. So now first it has the what is this, 26 by 40, sorry, 26.3 inches by 40 inches. Let me take the simple one box. I simply add this and clear it. Okay, now I have taken only one simple section, simple one box. So I'll go to here, SA, and go to the 3D model. As of now, the height is actually beyond the level, beyond the first floor. If I go to here, you will find the ground floor. You'll find the, maybe I'll go to the east itself. See, this is the wall, but it is actually projected just above the first floor as well. So in order to make exactly to the first floor, you go to the you select the all wall, that means SA, and in the top constraint, as of now it's connected as unconnected. I'll make sure that it will connect to the first floor, then I'll close. Okay, now this wall has been projected till the first floor. Now I'll go to the ground floor, and I don't think let me arrange this first. DI, I'll measure this. So okay, before measuring, as of now the measurement coordinates or the endpoints has taken as a wall center, but I'll ensure it should be from the inside or maybe the outside. So in order to do that, I click on this and I'll do the wall faces. Okay, so I'll do here and I click this way. Okay, now I want to change this wall. I want to adjust. So in order to do this, if I want to adjust this wall, I need to click on this particular wall, and you have the blue color text which is editable. So I need to click on this. This has the 26 feet 3 inches. I have entered. So my plan has been reduced. Now this length I need to reduce, then this as well, right? So in order to reduce this wall, So before that you need to make sure you have measure the this wall di as a shortcut. I'm just taking the measurement of this. Okay, I'm keeping here. So now this wall I want to change. How much is actually 40 feet. Okay, so now the wall has been reduced. Now I think if you wish you can just move from here and you can just keep it somewhere. Okay, it's fine. So now the wall has been adjusted according to the reference the drawing. Okay, so 26 by 26 3 inches by 40 feet. Okay, then I need to draw the first bedroom. Okay, so in order to draw the first bedroom, this is the 10 feet 5 inches by 12 feet 5 inches. So I once again click on this wall and I'll simply select as the CS. Okay, I'll add simply one wall here and closing. Okay, as of now. Okay, then I'll go here and add escape, then again the RWA. I'm just adding one of the shaft wall here. Let us arrange the dimension later. Let us create the raw wall, and again one more wall is here. Then you have the kitchen here. Again you have the kitchen, and as well as the puja room. I have the puja room, and you have the kitchen here. Again you have the kitchen. Okay, then let us give the opening in the later stage. Fine. Now you have the hall. Now you have the hall somewhere here. Okay, fine, and just connect here. You have the toilet in between. So let us do one thing. For the toilet walls and the internal walls, you just make it as the as of now is the 8 inches it has taken. So I'll reduce it in the later. So let me see. Yes, toilet wall I'll add this way, and again there's one more toilet which has been this I'll somewhere create and close this. As of now the center line is being the location line has been selected. If you want you can just take it as the wall face, that is also fine. Now again you need to do is you just simply drag and leave here. So this is one of the bedroom, and again from the front side I think I just need to reduce this wall. Okay, I need to reduce by how much this CS. There is a garden space which they have left. So overall the layout has been now prepared. So in order to view fine, let me go here and I'll create and I'll click on the view. This is in the fine. As of now you can able to notice the core as well as the plastering which is available. If you want you can go to the shaded as well. So let me keep on the wireframe is fine. Okay, now let us start with the dimensions. Okay, this is the 10 feet 3 inches. So let me measure this di. Okay, so this, so I'll keep this left side as the standard one and I'll keep this as the modifying. So 10 feet 3 inches. Okay, 10 feet 3 inches, then 13 feet 4 inches. This I'll take it as the first. Again let me DI measure this first. Let me okay, clicking this way. I'm just leaving. Now I'm selecting this wall. This has 13 feet 4 inches. Okay, 13 feet 4 inches. So now the car park area has been aligned and just according to the drawing. Okay, now the front face it should be of 2 feet. Or maybe we'll do one thing, we'll adjust this accordingly. It will get automatically get arranges. Okay, this is 11 feet 4 inches. Definitely it should be 11 feet 4 inches. DI. I'll enter this. Keep this way. I'll do one thing. I change the unit because it make you to confuse. Let me change the unit. In order to change the unit, you can enter the UN and you go to the length. I'll just keep as the feet and fraction inches is fine. Now okay, and okay, 13 feet 9 inches. I need 11 feet 4 inches. 11 feet 4 inches by 13 feet 4 inches. So maybe somewhere it's I think the dimension seems to be not perfectly as mentioned. Let me arrange this first bedroom. So this has the this how much? 11 feet 4 inches. 11 feet 4 inches. So now it's been become aligned. Then this 13 feet 4 inches. So then once again I need to measure di. Okay, so this I'll change it as the 13 feet 4 inches. 13 feet 4 inches. Okay, so yeah, I think the demarcation which he has made is not perfectly fine. This is something he has not properly written. Let us do one thing. I control Z. Okay, I'll leave this as the 1 feet. Okay, so 13 feet 4 inches minus 1, I'll keep it as somewhere around 12 feet. This I'll add as the 11 feet. Okay, fine. Now 11 feet let me leave. This is only 1 feet which I left. That's you can gardening purpose you can do. This is fine, this is fine. So then I need to go somewhere here. This is 18 feet by 10 feet 4 inches. Di. Let me measure this. Okay, then so this is as well. So I'll take this I'll keep it as the 18 feet. This I'll keep this as the 10, sorry, this I'll keep it as the 10 feet. Okay, so then as of now these two walls are not in line. So in order to make the line, you can't you just use the align keyword, align command, AL. You select the which level you want to keep the second wall. You select the primary wall, then you just make this as the alignment, this also. Okay, now it's not done aligned. AL. Okay, then this is AL, this as well as the second, sorry, AL. Select the primary, do the things. Yeah, now it's been done, right? So you just make the wall in the line. Okay, now it's done. Now let us create this 4 feet 11 by 6 feet 9 inches. Let me do one thing. This toilet wall, I'll reduce this to the a 4-inch wall. Okay, let me go to here, edit type. I'll duplicate this I'll mention as the 150 wall. Okay, I'll add this, measure the dimension. I'll give this as the 100, so 4 inches. Okay, done. So now the same I need to do here as well. So I'll do one thing. I submit, this is the partition wall, that's only I'm reducing it here. So this I'll use the MEA command, match. So MEA is the thing where as of now this is the 4-inch wall, but this is the 8-inch wall. So in order to make the 4 inch to the 8 inch, you select the which wall you want to convert it from the standard. Okay, as of now I'm selected this, I'm making, and see now the wall dimension has been changed, right? So then here as well I'll change. As of now, let me complete this dimension part. This is 4 feet 11 inches, right? Let me check DI. As of now the dimension part in the drawing is quite error, is fine. And this I'll mention this as the 4 feet 11 inches from 5 feet I'll keep. Okay, 5 feet, it's fine. And then again this I'll mention it as the 6 feet 9 inches. DI. Okay, this I'll mention this as the 6 feet 9 inches. Okay, then again this 6 feet 9 inches. Somewhere I think 6 12 the dimension which are in the drawings are wrong, so I'll correct it for myself. So I'll do one thing. I take this 10, I'll mention this as the 5 feet. I'll take this and I'll mention this as the 5 feet. Now it seems to be okay, 50 fine. Now this has done. Now I do one thing. This is fine, the layout is perfectly okay. This is the thing, 4 feet 8 inch is fine. So now I'll go to the kitchen part. Okay, kitchen as well. Puja room I'll keep it as the same. Maybe if you want you can just reduce the size as well here. So I'll keep it as the MA, select this, this as well as the this wall, okay, this as well. So I'll reduce the wall thickness. Okay, fine. Now I want to open this. Okay, so in order to make the opening here, I can just go to the split element. I can split somewhere here and I can select and delete, so that I can make it a opening this way. And this is position room is done. Now this is kitchen. Written for this I'll add the door directly itself. This I'll add the 8 feet somewhere. This I'll shift or maybe DI, I measure here. Okay, then again DI, yes, here, fine. So it's fine. Maybe as of now this becomes as a transfer, I mean the just in order to make the transparent, I'll show you the one small thing. As of now the wall is not showing behind this text. Okay, so in order to enable this, let me select the text here and go to edit type, the beyond arc, wait, okay, edit type, value, label, edit type, arc, leader mark, leader thickness, the go to the element, as of now text, the text line pattern, center line, and the text, yeah, you will find the text background. As of now select as the opaque. I'll make it as the transparent and okay and apply. So you can able to see now the the text is showing along with the wall, right? So now it's been done. Right now the 5 feet 4 inches, let me take this as the 5 feet 4 inches. Okay, done. Then 4, this is 3 feet 2 inches, this 3 feet 2 inches. Okay, Pujaram is also done almost. I'm just, if you want you can just shift this wall, you select and you just use the control, I mean the arrows. Okay, you can just take whichever the direction you want. Okay, now again I'm just going to the one of the bedroom. This is fine. Yeah, almost it's fine, right? So yeah, this is how the basic layout we just have created right now. In the front I think we need to open here. This is right, I'll open this here as well. I'll use the command split SL. I think I'll take around 100 mm extra somewhere here and I'll open this much. Okay, select this and I'll delete, and I do one thing, I do, so I'll split from here itself, SL. Okay, this entire I'll make it as the duplicate. I'll reduce the height of this. Okay, and okay, once again duplicate. Okay, it's fine. Now it's been duplicated this wall. So for this and this, no, for this I'll reduce the height. I'll keep as the unconnected. So I'll keep this height as around 6 feet. Sorry, this I'll control A, 6 feet. 6 feet as I'll make it as a compound wall. So then I'll click on the MA, this I'll match this. Okay, now I'll go to the 3D. You will understand much better what I did, right? So now once again I'll go to the VG. I'll disable the levels in the 3D model, 3D level. I go here, I'll go to the levels and I apply. Okay, so now I'll create this as the fine view. I'll go to the shaded, so you will understand much here. So basically in the front, this also I need to reduce. Okay, then again I'll just go to the this, I add the split element. I'll cut somewhere exactly here and here as well. I delete this wall and again I split SL. I split somewhere here. I use the MA command match, then I match this and again match this. I'll go to the 3D. You will have this kinds. Okay, this is a raw drawing which I'm making for you just to understanding the commands usage. Okay, so then again I'll go to the consistency color, or maybe I'll go to the realistic. Okay, it's fine. Now I'll go to the fine. So you have the almost the model is ready right now. Okay, now again I'll just go to the floor plan in the ground floor. Next is the let us go to the staircase. You not add the staircase, you go to the architecture tab and you'll find the staircase here. So once I click on the staircase, you will find the actual width it's gonna ask me, but as of now I need to select this as the 3 feet. I'll enter as the actual width. I'll enter. Then if you want, you can just say take the free hand or maybe the follow line, or else you can just take the predefined staircase. See here, I'll show you. Now you go to the OK. Now you go to the 3D and you have this kind of staircase which has already designed, which is being created by the default, or else you can just do your by free. Okay, now go here and select this. Okay, if you want to change anything, you can just change here. If you want to change any values, if you want to width, the minimum run width is showing this much, and if you want anything else, you can just, as of now monolithic is non-monolithic is selected, it's fine. Okay, and okay, apply. So right, so this is how the staircase is going to looks. Let us add the slab for this. Okay, now before the slab, let me go to the ground floor. So now I want to add the doors and windows according to this. Okay, let me add the windows on here, which is according to here. So I'll simply select on the windows window here. Right now you can just let you look at, or else maybe the shortcut is WN. You select, simply click on this. You'll find there are many windows which are predefined. Okay, let me click on this and you just place the window somewhere here. Okay, I have placed one window, and since it's a hall, I'll just keep here as well as one of the window, and this is one of the bedroom. I'll keep here this way. This is kitchen. This is kitchen in the center. I'll place somewhere here. Then this is also bedroom. I'll keep somewhere one here and here. So the window has been almost fixed. Now let us go for the doors, or else I'll do small changes for this. I'll go to the 3D, how it looks. Let me see. This window seems to be very big. Let me change this. Height is fine. Window sill height is, window sill height, let me add as the 4 feet. Fine. Now sill height, I'll keep this as the how much? I'll keep it as the 3 feet. Okay, then I'll apply. Okay, then once again constraints, I need to go here. I'll keep this as, sometimes if you enter the edit type also, it won't takes the sill height. You need to enter it or change here itself as manually. I'll enter the sill height as 3 feet. Then apply, and you select, or maybe I'll do the Control Z, C, then SCA, and I select for all, and I'll change the sill height 3 feet. Okay, then windows look seems to be okay, right? So now I want to add the doors. If you don't want this internal, let it be the internal railing. If you don't want, you can just delete this. That's fine. Now I'll add the doors right now. So now I'll go to here and I'll add the door. In order to add the door, you just need to simply type the shortcut as DR, or as well as you can just directly click here. I'll simply select the DR as the shortcut, DR. Okay, now I can choose the main door as the double door, maybe this kinds of door, and it opens this way. And the bedroom doors, I'll keep reduce the dimension to the some small. I'll keep this as the bedrooms. Okay, then here as well. And so if you want to see, basically as of now the swing is, suppose assume you have taken the selected the door, and you hover the mouse around this particular area, but the door swing is in the opposite direction. But if you want to change it to the towards the wall, you need to do is simply press the space bar. So now as of now, once a press the space bar, the door swing is going to change towards the wall. Okay, now I need to simply click here as well, space, I have selected, the door has been changed. So here also I'll add this door only, is fine. and again this one seems to be there is no door, but it's just door. I don't think I delete this door. I'll split this. I'll make the small opening here. Okay, nice. Select and delete. DR. I select the smaller door. Store here. Okay. Now this has been done. Now this toilet door also, let me add this one only. This is the common toilet. This is the attached toilet. So common toilet, attached toilet is done. Now main door is also done, bedroom door is done. Yeah, some almost we have completed this. Now I'll go to the 3D. I'll escape and I'll keep this 3D. See here. So if you want, now let me add the one more feature, or one more is like basement slab, or maybe the grade slab I'll add, and I'll add the top floor slab. So okay, now I'll go to the ground floor. Now I'll add the slab. So in order to add the slab, either you can go here in the architecture slab, you will find the floor. Floor architecturally seems to be a non-structural load bearing floor, or maybe if you want you can just add the structural. Let me go and I'll add the one thing. I'll add the grade slab as the non-structural. As of now grade slab is taken as a 400 mm, but I don't want that much thickness. I'll keep this as the 8 inches. Okay, so I don't think grade slab, this I'll take as a grade slab. The dimension also I want to change this dimension. I'll keep it as the 200 mm, 8 inches. Let me add 8 inches. Okay. Now select the shape. Now I'll select the rectangular shape here and I'll drag and drop here. Okay, now basically it's selected as the ground floor with 0 offset. I'm selecting here. I'll go to the 3D. You will understand much better. See, the grade floor has, slab has been added here. So okay, now I'll add the slab for this particular RCC slab. Okay, let me add this RCC slab. So in order to add the RCC slab, I'll go to the first floor. Okay, now I'll add the slab here. So in order to add the slab, let me go to the flooring here. I'll add the structure. So I'll go to the as of now grade slab has been selected. Right now I just wanted to add the structural. Let me duplicate this. This is the RCC slab. I'll mention this. Okay, 150 thick I'll keep. I'll change this. So by category, let me add this as the concrete. Okay, I'll select the concrete. Concrete cast in place, that's fine. Okay, then I'll add the 6 inches is the thickness. Okay, then fine. Now go to the shape. If you want you can just select the offset as well. As of now the offset I'll give as the 1 feet on either side. Okay, now I'll select this corner. Okay, now I'm just leaving here. Okay, now I'll select the okay. Now would you like to basically it acts as a, would you like the walls that go to the top of the floors level to the attached bottom? Yes. Now I'll go to the 3D view, so you will understand how this slab has been now added. So okay, now I want to make this opening here. So in order to make the openings here, I'll go to the first floor. I'll select this slab. I want to make I want to cut here. Okay, in order to make the cut, I go to the architecture. There is an option called the shaft, or else you can edit the slab itself. That is also possible. I'll do one thing. I'll do the shaft here. I'll select this portion and I'll add this way, and okay, I'll go to the 3D. You will have this. So this has been opened. So basically anything which comes above here by default it's going to delete, or it is going to consume. So now I'll go to the ground floor, sorry, first floor. I need to edit this slab somewhere here. Let me do one thing. I'll do this way. Okay, I go to the use this tool. I'll take this till somewhere here and close. Now I'll delete these two. Trim TR. Okay, this has been deleted. Here also TR. So now I have taken this and cleared. I'll go to the 3D. See, now almost it's been matched, right? You can just add the hand railing surrounding here and you can just close once again here. So again on the first floor I'll go somewhere here. I go to the, simply I'll just add the parapet wall and then I'll close the railing. So I'll go to here, I'll add the parapet. So in order to add the parapet and above here WA, okay, I will take 230 as the wall thickness. I'll make this a duplicate parapet wall. Okay, parapet wall, thickness is fine. I'll keep this as unconnected, then then this unconnected is fine. I'll keep the height as the 3 feet. Okay, and apply. Now I'll start the walls here. Exactly, I don't think I select the wall. Instead of the center line, I'll select the face finish interior. I'll select. Okay. Okay. See, as of now, I've selected the finish face interior. So it has taken the inside. So I'll do one thing. I'll take this as the exterior finish. Let me go here. I'll select the face finish exterior. I'll select this way. Okay. I'm selecting this way. I'm selecting once again here. Okay, then going here and selecting and closing. Now let me go to the 3D. You have this kinds of the railing here. Okay, so now if you want, you can just add the openings around here. If you want to, you can add the railing as well. In order to add the railing, again go to the architecture tab, go to the first floor first. Then you have the where is this architecture? You have the railing. Look at the sketch by path. You can just select the sketch by path. You need to define the which area you want to cover. Let me take somewhere here and connect, again drag. Okay, leave. Then again you can just select this way and leave. Now close. Let me do one thing. I will delete this. Only these two will connect. Okay, close. 3D. It looks fine. Now again I think one more I'll add this side. Okay, now once again I'll go to the first floor. I'll add one more railing here somewhere and close. Okay, now go to the 3D. I think it has gone till the wall. Let me go to the first floor, select this railing. Okay, edit. In order to edit this, let me go to the edit path. I reduce this, I take this here, finish. Okay, let me go to the 3D. See, okay, now the simple the plan has been created. Okay, it has the basic flooring, walls, window, doors. See, so as how beautifully and simply the drawing has been created with the 3D model. The next is I just want to take this in the sheet. I'll go here and I create one of the sheets. Let me load the basic India and title box. You search for the title box. Yeah, you will find A1 or A2. A2 is fine. Okay, now you can drag the ground floor. You can just drag and drop here, and if you want, you can just add the first floor plan, drag and drop here. Okay, and then you have the, if you want, you can just make it in the line. Okay, first floor. Then again you have the elevation drawing, east side elevation. You can make this as the fine detail. You can just make it as the shaded, and you can drag and drop this. I can just close this way. Okay, then you have this. Okay, now again the east elevation also, if you want, you can just maybe I'll do one thing. I go to the north, go to the south. Yeah, I'll add the south elevation. It looks as a front view. I reduce this once again. I reduce this here. Okay, now I'll go to the fine view, go to the shaded. Okay, now I go to the sheet. I'll go to the south view and drop here. Okay, so basically I have not created any section details. I have not created any 3D drawing. I simply drawn the 2D, so it has given all the features. You can able to assume how powerful the Revit is. Okay, then what is left now? Let me add one of the sections. Simply just to give the idea, let me add one of the section. In order to add the section, you will find there is a section icon here. You can just click on this and simply select on this. I will give the section where the staircase is running, so you'll understand. Okay, this fine. Okay, now I'll change the view direction. In order to change the view direction, you can click on this. This view is this side has been showing right now. Now I'll go to the section. The section, you have the section 1. Okay, so and then again go to the sheet. You have the section details here. You can drag and drop here. Okay, if you don't want, you can just reduce the which one, this one, you can reduce this way. Okay, again if you want, you can just reduce this way. How much is possible, you can reduce the width. Okay, so this way. Okay, and you have the take on the thing. Okay, right. So now the sheet, everything is looks fine. Now if you want, you can just rename this, or maybe you can reduce or rearrange this. This is then again here as well. If you want, you can just take this way down. It should be everything in the same line. Section details, and Control Z. This much you want to open, you can just close this way, and go to the section. Where is section 1? This also, if you want, you can just take this way inside. Okay, right. You can just go to the fine view, or maybe go to the consistency color. You will have the, so automatically it get updated here. Section 1, right? You can able to notice. Right, so this is how basically the Revit plan, simple plan, and the different the floor plan, elevation, and this section basically works. So hope you have understood the basic drawing how to create. We will work in coming classes in details on the complex projects as well. As of now, I'm just given the simple idea of how this functions, the use of the the tools works. So you try to do yourself and you will understand much, and you take a simple example of this kinds of floor plan. You do it yourself. You change the different wall thickness, and you change the different window size. I'll explain in the coming sessions how to change and how to get the high quality 3D, or maybe the Revit files, and you can just download from the external source, and you can just import and you can use it here. So I'll show you everything in the coming session. Yes, this is the major I just wanted to showcase in this class for you. Hope you have learned, and we'll catch up in the next module.